Welcome to our very first lecture, which is called What are Data Structure. Before we get started with different types of data structures and algorithm, let's talk about what is data structure and why we need them. One sentence description of data structure would be that they are basically different ways of storing data on your computer. This definition might not be clear right now, so let me give you a more concrete example over here. So let's say we have a bunch of wood over here, and it can be seen that they are not organized. So if you want to choose a black wood from here, we will face a problem. We need to check all of them one by one to find out the black one. Since these items are not in an organized way, selecting black one is time consuming and difficult. Okay, let's look at the organized way of these items. What we have done over here is we have just taken the unorganized items from here and put it in an organized way. So selecting black wood from this list is very easy and it takes less time to find. And when it comes to data structure, we are doing the same thing that we have done over here, organizing the item. It's clear that all applications are dealing with data. So they do some operations based on given data. Before processing the data, we have to organize the data in certain way that makes the process very efficient. From software application performance point of view, the efficiency and performance of the software depends on how the data is stored, organized, and grouped together during the program execution. Every day during our daily lives, we can see various types of data structures. They might be a crowd of people who want to get a ticket for the concert. But without organized way, it becomes almost impossible to get a ticket. The organized way of people to get a ticket is queue. And this is called queue data structure in computer science, which is first in, first out method. So we will talk about these kind of data structures in our future lectures. Here, I'm not going to go to the details of this data structure. Another example is, imagine there is a bunch of books on the table and you want to return them to the library. It's obvious that without an organized way of ordering, we cannot carry these books. On the other hand, if you order them in this way, it becomes easier to carry them. And this reminds us of stack data structure in computer science. So this is first in, last out method. We understand that we use data structures to make our application very efficient. But the problem is that there are many different types of data structures. So which one should we choose for the best performance of software or application? So you will find an answer to this question throughout this course while explaining all data structures and their use cases. And this is the main reason why big companies like Google, Apple, Amazon, and Facebook ask questions about the data structures and algorithm from their candidates during the interview process. A professional software developer has to know which data structure to choose for a particular app, which has a direct effect on the performance. So I have explained what is a data structure. Hopefully you have an idea of what is data structure and how it affects our